Do you want Subway promo codes and vouchers? If yes, this video is for you. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can get Subway promo codes and vouchers. So without any further ado, let's jump right into it. First step, open up any web browser. You can use whichever you want. I will be using Safari. Right here, search for couponfollow.com. This is the website. Right here, you can simply type that in and tap on the search bar on the top right. Then simply type in Subway. And after you type in Subway, you'll find Subway's option. Tap on it and open that up. So right here, you'll get the list of available promo codes and vouchers. So you can use any one of these. You can see how much you can save with it, how much percentage is off, how much dollars and stuff like that. There is even buy one, get one free and many more. So you can use either one of these. You can tap on one of them to see the promo code and use it on the Subway app. So this is a website as I showed you already. And yeah, that's how you can get Subway promo code and vouchers. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye. Take care.